Hi, welcome to Professional Certifications channel. Let's break down CISSP exam preparation, one topic a day for focused and effective learning. Today's topic is proxy server.
Definition: a proxy server is an intermediary server that sits between a client, e.g., a user's device, and the destination server, e.g., a website or service. When a client makes a request, such as accessing a web page, the proxy server forwards that request to the destination server, receives the response, and then sends the response back to the client. Proxy servers provide various functions, such as enhancing security, improving performance, anonymizing users, and controlling access to content.
Key concepts.
1. Purpose of a proxy server. The primary purpose of a proxy server is to act as an intermediary between clients and external servers, helping to protect and enhance security, privacy, and performance. By intercepting and processing requests, a proxy server can filter traffic, mask client IP addresses, cache content, and enforce security policies. Proxy servers are commonly used in enterprise environments to control and monitor internet usage, block malicious traffic, improve web performance, and anonymize user activity.
2. How a proxy server works. A proxy server functions by receiving requests from clients, such as web browsers, and forwarding those requests to the destination server on behalf of the client. It then receives the server's response and forwards it back to the client. Step 1. Client request. The client sends a request, e.g., to access a website, to the proxy server instead of directly to the destination server. Step 2. Proxy server processes the request. The proxy server may perform various functions, such as checking access control policies, caching the request, or filtering the content. Step 3. Proxy server forwards the request. The proxy server forwards the request to the destination server using its own IP address, effectively masking the client's IP. Step 4. Response from destination server. The destination server responds to the proxy server, which then forwards the response back to the client. Example: a company configures a proxy server to filter and monitor employees' internet access. When an employee tries to access a website, the request goes through the proxy server, which checks whether the site is allowed. If the site is allowed, the proxy server forwards the request to the website and returns the page to the employee.
3. Types of proxy servers. There are several types of proxy servers, each serving different purposes based on how and where they are deployed. Forward proxy. A forward proxy sits between internal clients, e.g., users in a corporate network, and external servers, e.g., websites. It forwards client requests to external servers, masking the client's IP address. Forward proxies are often used for security, content filtering, and caching. Example: an organization uses a forward proxy to control and monitor employees' internet usage, blocking access to malicious or inappropriate websites. Reverse proxy. A reverse proxy sits in front of web servers or services and forwards requests from clients to the appropriate backend servers. Reverse proxies are commonly used to distribute traffic, provide load balancing, and enhance security by hiding internal servers from direct exposure to the internet. Example: a company uses a reverse proxy to distribute incoming traffic across multiple web servers, improving performance and redundancy while hiding the internal web servers from direct access. Transparent proxy. A transparent proxy intercepts and processes requests without modifying or masking the client's identity. It is often used for content filtering, caching, and monitoring, without requiring user configuration. Example: a school uses a transparent proxy to automatically filter inappropriate content for students, without requiring them to configure their devices. Anonymous proxy. An anonymous proxy hides the client's IP address from the destination server, but still reveals that a proxy is being used. Anonymous proxies are often used to enhance privacy and security by preventing websites from tracking the user's real IP. Example: a user connects to an anonymous proxy to browse the internet without revealing their IP address to websites. High anonymity proxy, elite proxy. A high anonymity proxy not only hides the client's IP address, but also does not reveal that a proxy is being used. This provides a higher level of privacy, as the destination server believes the request came directly from the proxy server's IP address without knowing a proxy was involved. Example: a journalist in a restrictive country uses a high anonymity proxy to access censored content without detection.
4. Functions of a proxy server. Security. Proxy servers can act as a security gateway by filtering and blocking malicious traffic, enforcing security policies, and preventing direct access to internal networks. By masking the client's IP address, they reduce the risk of targeted attacks. Example: a proxy server blocks connections to known malicious websites, preventing users from inadvertently downloading malware. Content filtering. Proxy servers can restrict access to specific websites or content based on organizational policies. This is often used in schools, businesses, and governments to block inappropriate, harmful, or non-business related websites. Example: a company's proxy server blocks access to social media sites during working hours to improve productivity. Caching. Proxy servers can cache frequently requested content, reducing the load on external servers and improving performance. Cached responses can be delivered to clients without contacting the destination server, reducing bandwidth usage and latency. Example: a proxy server caches popular websites to improve loading times for users in an office environment. Anonymity and privacy. By masking the client's IP address, proxy servers can provide anonymity, preventing websites or external servers from tracking the user's location or identifying their real IP. Example: a user connects to an anonymous proxy to hide their real IP address while browsing the web. Load balancing. Reverse proxies are often used for load balancing, distributing incoming requests across multiple servers to improve performance and provide redundancy. Example: a reverse proxy distributes traffic across a pool of web servers to ensure that no single server is overwhelmed with too much traffic.
5. Advantages of proxy servers. Improved security. Proxy servers add a layer of security by masking internal IP addresses, filtering malicious traffic, and preventing direct access to internal systems. Content control. Organizations can use proxy servers to enforce content access policies, such as blocking specific websites or restricting access to non-business related content. Performance optimization. Proxy servers can cache content to reduce bandwidth usage and improve response times, especially for frequently accessed resources. Anonymity. By hiding the client's IP address, proxy servers enhance privacy and help protect users from tracking or targeted attacks.
6. Disadvantages of proxy servers. Performance overhead. Proxy servers can introduce latency, particularly if the proxy server is overloaded or if the caching mechanism is inefficient. Complex configuration. Managing and configuring proxy servers, especially in large environments with multiple proxy services, forward and reverse, can be complex and prone to errors. Limited encryption. Proxy servers primarily operate at the application layer, meaning they may not encrypt traffic. For end-to-end encryption, SSL/TLS is often used in combination with proxies.
7. Common use cases for proxy servers. Enterprise content filtering and monitoring. Organizations use proxy servers to control and monitor employee internet usage, blocking access to inappropriate or malicious websites and ensuring compliance with company policies. Example: an organization uses a forward proxy to block access to non-work-related websites during business hours, enhancing productivity and security. Load balancing and web acceleration. Reverse proxies are used to distribute incoming traffic across multiple back-end servers, improving performance, redundancy, and reliability for high-traffic websites. Example: an e-commerce site uses a reverse proxy to route customer requests to different servers, ensuring faster page load times and better user experience. Privacy and anonymity. Users who want to browse the internet anonymously or access geo-blocked content use proxy servers to hide their IP addresses and bypass regional restrictions. Example: A user connects to an anonymous proxy to access streaming content that is restricted to certain geographic locations. Improving performance via caching. Proxy servers cache frequently accessed content to reduce bandwidth usage and improve performance for users, especially in large network environments. Example: a university uses a proxy server to cache educational resources, ensuring that students can quickly access frequently used content.
8. Proxy servers and compliance. Proxy servers can help organizations meet regulatory requirements by controlling internet usage, securing data in transit, and preventing unauthorized access to sensitive content. PCI DSS, Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard. Proxy servers can filter and monitor network traffic, ensuring that payment data is transmitted securely and that access to sensitive resources is restricted. HIPAA, Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. Proxy servers can control access to systems handling EPHI, electronic protected health information, ensuring that only authorized users can access healthcare systems. GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation. Proxy servers can help ensure compliance with GDPR by anonymizing user data and controlling access to personal information.
Importance in the CISSP exam. Proxy servers are an important topic within the communications and network security and security operations domains of the CISSP exam. CISSP aspirants must understand the different types of proxy servers: forward, reverse, transparent, their roles in network security and content filtering, and how they contribute to security, performance, and privacy. Exam questions may focus on how proxy servers are used in securing networks, controlling access, and providing anonymity.
Real-world example. A financial institution uses a reverse proxy to route incoming traffic to its internal web servers. By doing so, it protects the internal servers from direct exposure to the internet, distributes traffic efficiently across multiple servers, and ensures that all connections to the web servers are properly authenticated and secured.